YouTube is officially breaking down the language wall, and it wants videos to sound local the second you hit play. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. YouTube has added an AI auto-dubbing feature which will let you watch videos in a language you actually understand. Auto-dubbing uses AI to translate spoken audio and replace it with a dubbed voice in another language, and it's now live across 27 languages. Now, viewers can set a preferred language in YouTube settings, and if a dubbed version exists, YouTube will automatically serve it without clicking on anything. A video uploaded in Spanish could instantly play in English, French, Hindi, or even Portuguese. And yes, YouTube knows AI dubbing can be painfully awkward. To fix that, it's rolling out Expressive Speech, a new upgrade designed to preserve tone, emotion, and pacing so voices don't sound flat, robotic, or out of sync. The feature is currently available for English, French, German, Hindi, Indonesian, Italian, Portuguese, and Spanish, with more languages coming soon. There's more. YouTube is also testing a lip-sync pilot which adjusts creators' mouth movements to match with the translated audio, so your dubbed videos will actually feel real. Of course, creators will stay in control. Auto-dubbing is optional and can be turned off, and creators can upload their own dubbed tracks if they want higher quality. YouTube admits the system isn't perfect yet, but it will improve with feedback. YouTube was already the world's biggest video platform, and now it just went more global. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.